Hi, this video is meant to give you some information in comparing the Florida Blue HRA with the Florida Healthcare Point of Service Plan. This information will focus on single coverage, but many of these points will apply to dependent coverage as well. So let's begin by looking at the premiums. The Florida Healthcare Point of Service has no premiums. You pay nothing for that plan. You also get a flex card from the district with $250 on it. That flex card may be used for co-insurance, co-pays, prescriptions, deductibles, or even if you use it to go to the dentist or to an eye doctor. The premium on the Florida Healthcare HRA is about $176 a month, or approximately $106 per paycheck, again for single coverage. With the Florida Healthcare HRA, it has a $2,000 deductible, of which the district puts $600 for you on a flexible spending card. Similarly to what I just talked about with the point of service plan, that $600 flex card may be used for co-pays, deductibles, co-insurance, prescriptions. It may also be used if you go to the eye doctor or to the dentist. The HRA, the doctors on the HRA plan versus the doctors on the point of service plan, here's what you need to know. You may keep your doctor. If your doctor is not covered under the Florida Healthcare Plan, there is an out-of-network option on the point of service plan. The deductible for the out-of-network option is $2,000, the same $2,000 that you have on the HRA plan. I will remind you that on the HRA plan you do get $600 back from the district. And on the point of service plan, you get $250 back from the district. So the real question is, how often do you go to the doctor? Because remember, on the HRA plan, you're going to have premiums totaling well over $2,000, around $2,300, $2,400 in premiums that you wouldn't have with the point of service plan. And since you can keep the same doctor, it's probably going to be cheaper for you to be on the point of service plan. Also, you can call Florida Healthcare and find out if your doctor is a Florida Healthcare doctor. And if they are, you can probably keep your doctor and still and then pay the co-pay of $20 per month. So there are several options that you have under that. The other point that you need to remember is what you pay after you meet the deductible. On the Florida Blue HRA plan, you would pay 30% after you meet the deductible. On the Florida Healthcare out-of-network plan, you would pay let me scratch that. That was incorrect. On the Florida Healthcare HRA plan, after the deductible, you would be responsible for paying 15% of the cost. On the Florida Healthcare POS plan, you would be responsible for paying 30% of the cost after you meet the deductible. Again, it's very important to look at premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket costs when considering this. And remember that you can keep your doctor, but you'll have to look at how often you go to the doctor to determine what might be best for you. The other important distinction to look at is prescriptions. Not all prescriptions covered by the Florida Blue plans are covered by Florida Healthcare. So what I would suggest you do is call Florida Healthcare and find out if your prescription is available under Florida Healthcare. And if not, what are the steps that you would have to take in order to get that prescription covered. In many cases, you have to go through what's called step therapy, which is trying certain drugs before you can get to your drug in order to do that. If your doctor's already run you through that, Florida Healthcare will recognize that, and as long as your doctor can provide documentation, they will likely cover that prescription. However, it may cost you more, so call Florida Healthcare to get that information. Last, I want to talk about gap insurance, which is available to any union member through American Fidelity. You can use it on either plan, quite honestly. Gap insurance starts at $1,000 and covers up to $1,000 in hospitalization costs. The gap insurance also has coverage for up to $200 for outpatient services such as MRIs, CAT scans, emergency room visits, urgent care visits, or outpatient surgery. The gap insurance will also provide you with up to $50 for doctor's visits for no more than 5 times per year. Gap insurance can be as little as $13 a month and is something that is only available to union members that you may want to consider. For more information on the gap insurance, come by the VTO office on Wednesday, August 10th between 1 and 6 p.m. And you can meet with a representative from American Fidelity or contact us and we'll get you their contact information. I hope this video helped in giving you a little bit of information. I think you'll find that you're probably going to be better off on the point of service plan versus the Florida Blue HRA. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach me at andrew.spar@floridaea.org or call us at the office 386-238-1605. Thanks.